And here is a butterfly that you can make.
I did this, Mommy.
Here's the character. The character.
I did this.
It's from Disney, Dad.
Okay.
This mobile. This mobile. Look at this. Mommy, look at this. Look at how I do it. Look at it.
Hey guys, we just got this magnetic tile toy kit and it's travel size. So it comes with 80 pieces and they're just a miniature travel size. They work just like regular magnet tiles. The great thing is they come with this magnetic tin, so you could take this in the car, camping, out traveling. It's very condensed and absolutely fantastic, very creative. Your kids are gonna have a ton of fun playing with this kit. So here in your instruction manual, it gives you lots of ideas. A cat, an owl, an airplane, a triceratops, a golf course, Christmas tree. You can make a rainbow or towers. There's so many different options. Obviously, you don't have to make the ones that are right here on the directions.
Mommy, look at this. Zippy. Zippy with Mama. Zipper Mom. And Zipper Mom. Zipper Mommy. Mom. No, put that across. I can hold that up.
So here we made two little towers with a bridge across. Like I said, it just helps your kids with their imagination. I love that it's all travel size, just absolutely adorable and super duper tiny, but yet it fits all in this nice metal tin. Great for on the go.